Leica is a century-old camera company and known to anyone who knows cameras. As a camera lover, you might have asked yourself why Leica cameras are so expensive. If you look at the camera specs, they are just like an ordinary camera, yet they are priced like something out of this world. So what are the reasons for this high price? In this video, we are going to discuss this very topic. So with that being said, let's get started. Leica maintains the exclusivity of their cameras. The number of cameras manufactured for each Leica model is also limited, so there is always a scarcity of Leica cameras around the world. And we all know, if there is a scarcity in supply, the price tends to go up, and the same happened to Leica. Leica cameras are usually well built and they last for a long time without any significant alteration of quality. This is why a Leica camera is also appealing to the users. There are many popular websites selling those second-hand cameras. And this is why many thought buying a Leica camera is of good value, as you can get an adequate amount of money by selling your used Leica camera. Leica lenses are extremely sharp. The quality and technology are simply unparalleled. And when calibrated with Leica cameras, those lenses become so capable that Leica sensor and processor don't have to rely on the digital sharpening of images, which is done by most of the prominent manufacturers out there. The bokeh quality is also incredibly even in shape, giving you a distinctive look that no other lenses can match. Leica has been in the camera market for more than 100 years now. They have enough experience and recognition in the market. Their long presence has built faith in the camera users about their quality. Apart from that, some people also use Leica to gain social acceptance from others. The price range doesn't suit everyone. Only the elite class people can afford such a high-priced camera. Having a Leica camera also shows the financial stability of a person. Thus, it has become a popular tool for showing off. One of the most appealing factors of Leica is its aesthetic factor. There are many camera manufacturers in the market, and they mainly compete over features and specs. But Leica has a different view here. It neither bothers about what others feature in their cameras, nor releases cameras every year to compete with them. Rather, Leica is more into the feel of a camera and its aesthetic value. Every Leica camera is a good example of excellent craftsmanship. And to the Leica fanbase, the handcraft piece of excellence is enough to justify its price. From the discussion so far, it is clear that Leica cameras play in the camera market differently. They have a distinctive target customer and different marketing goals. The higher price that we see on the price tag of Leica cameras is not just for their features, but also for brand value and aesthetic feel. So people who are keen to be part of a heritage like Leica might find both the price and the Leica camera relevant. On the other hand, for most people out there who are concerned about what performance a camera provides and what the best use of their money, might find Leica cameras simply worthless and unusable for their exorbitantly higher price. So that was all about the reasons why Leica cameras are so expensive. Though many might find the price of Leica cameras excessively high, there is a fan base of Leica to whom the price is just right. It is just the difference on how we perceive the value of things. So what do you think of Leica cameras and their price range? Let us know in the comment section.